Hello everyone, I hope you are doing very well and good in your life, and welcome to another new video where I have built a prototype of a auto pen testing tool which will check for vulnerabilities and bugs in our websites or web apps. Okay, so first we have to activate the virtual environment. So as you know, I am using Arch Linux and there is this conflict between Python packages, so I have to use the virtual environment. And now I have already installed requests module for this because it have to interact with browser and websites, right? And so now I will check which Python, and you can see it is clearly showing virtual environment Python. And so guys, now I'll run my tool. So Python auto open the py, and you can see it has many commands. For example, setup will install all the tools. You can see I have installed all the tools already. I have tested this once, but for video I am doing this. You can see setup complete, 13 by 13 tools installed. I have just 13 tools, no word list, no brute forcing. It will just perform a basic scan and basic vulnerability scan right now, because again it's a prototype, right? And you can see it has started nmap on the website. And don't and don't try to find bugs and vulnerabilities on that site. I don't own that website, but I have rights and I have totally legal rights to perform pen testing on that website, and only I can do this. So don't do this again. I'm just saying, like, you know how it is. If you are in cybersecurity, you have scope and authority to scan and do things with a website. Now again you can see it has scanned for ports. Now it's scanning for web URLs related to that website that we call subdomains. And you can see now the subdomains has been listed. It is checking more, and now it is scanning for, I said that already, it has no word list, so it won't brute force the website. But the one I will make will have everything, and it is a enterprise grade tool that I am making, and I'll keep a subscription based, or like I'll sell the source code for some dollars, because I have to make another project to collect that money, or I would have kept this open source, guys. I'm so sorry, but let's continue anyways. So now you can see it is running a CVE scan. It does not have enough SQL injection commands or XSS testing, because it's just so small. In the script is just so small right now, but I'll improve it. As I said, iteration makes things better. And it took me over like 60 minutes to scan the website for CVEs and vulnerabilities, but eventually it did. And so as you can see, it has listed few things, and it will find vulnerabilities. For now it can give few falses, because of, I have coded this way. I am the creator, so it might give some falses for now, but I think it will not give falses in the actual tool that I am making. I didn't had topic to post videos on, so I thought maybe I can post my prototype, but the next video is definitely going to be a banger, guys, so stay updated. And yeah, that's it, I think. And I think you got an idea how it will work, right? So that's it for the video, guys. And you can see it has saved the report in a temporary file. That is the website's name in the JSON file, right? And that's it, guys. That's it for the video, and take care. Bye bye. Love you all.